guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to share how you can rock one look in different styles. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So I'm starting with aloe vera gel and patting it on my face. Then I'm going to use Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, and then with the help of a brush I'm going to apply it on my face. And then I'm going to use concealer and I'm going to apply it under my eye area, bridge of my nose, chin, and to give a lifting effect to my face I'm going to apply it in this way and a little bit on my forehead, and then I'm going to blend it with the help of the same brush. And then I'm going to fill my brows. So first I'm going to do outline and then I'm going to fill in my brows. And then I'm going to evenly distribute the product with the help of the brush. So I'm picking this shade to create the look and I'm using it as a transition shade, and I'm going to place it on my outer V. And then I'm going to pick a darker shade to give depth to my eyes. Now with the help of an angled brush, I'm going to apply kajal and I'm going to place it on my upper lash line. And for creating this look, I'm not going to draw any wing or any liner. I'm just going to apply kajal and then I'm going to smudge it with the help of a brush. Then I'm going to pick a black shade and I'll apply it on my upper lash line. And using the same black eyeshadow, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to pick a lighter shade and I'm going to apply it on my inner crease. For highlighting and bronzing my face, I'm using the Sivanna's palette and I'm going to pick a bronzer and then I'll bronze my face. Then I'm going to bronze my forehead, my jawline. And for this look, I'm not using too much highlighter, I'm just going to highlight a little. So I'm going to apply a brick red shade. Then I'll apply a nude shade on top of that to mute the undertone of that lipstick. And then I'm going to coat my upper and lower lashes with mascara. So for formal look, I parted my hair from the middle. You can make a bun or a ponytail. And for formal getup, the makeup is not too bold, like it's very soft and very simple. And for this look, I wore a white kurti and paired it with silver earrings. And for hairstyle, I did nothing special, like मैंने उनको खुला ही छोड़ दिया. And for casual look, I wore a black tee and then paired it with the denim skirt. And for this look, I styled my shirt in this way. And you can pair this shirt with a skirt, shorts or a high waist jeans. And for the last look, I wore an off-shoulder dress and the look was looking so pretty with it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.